Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a channel navigation video. So today I'll just be explaining how and where how this channel will be organized. So yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so yeah, channel. Okay, so we're gonna have just a handful of type of content here. So I will be attending seminars and conferences, and I'm attending these as mostly as a beginner, right? So I'm going to put in all everything that I learned as a separate flavor of content. So for example, I attended a seminar on data science and probability. So this is going to be one style or playlist of videos. Secondly, we're going to have the inverse Galois problem. Thirdly, we're going to have geometry of minimal surfaces. Geometry of minimal surfaces. Then soon I will be attending one on statistical physics. Statistical physics. And lastly, I will have one with my own personal research projects. Cool. Okay. So under data science, I'm going to be looking at diffusion models, online learning, just base statistics for ML, statistics for ML. I'm going to look at reinforcement learning, and Markov chains. So these are the current topics of interest broadly. Then under inverse Galois problem, I'm going to be referring to textbooks in it. So yeah, there's and I'm also going to be referring to topics in topology and what was it? Topics in topology, and it's written by Max 10. So I will be referring that book, topology and something, I don't remember. And there is a textbook just talking about the history of IGP, which is the inverse Galois problem. So that and some other sources. So we'll be looking into this. And yeah, under geometry of minimal surfaces, we're going to be looking at Ulrich Pinkol's book on elastic curves. Then we are also going to be looking at a course in minimal surfaces. Yeah, a course in minimal minimal services, and etc. and so on. Under statistical physics, we don't know what we're going to study yet, but depending on how the seminar goes on, we will be making videos explaining that. Under personal research, you will find basically project intro, project name, and then project intro, followed by project intro. So this is sort of the star of our channel. Over here we'll be looking at we'll be introducing projects, and this is where we encourage you to join. So yeah, these are just introductions to projects that will be continued, or they will be explored further, depending if and only if there are people joining. Encouragement to joining, that doesn't make sense. For joining. Yeah, so I'll be introducing some topic. I'm gonna explain the prerequisites. If I can finish the prerequisites in like a couple lectures, and I'll go ahead with that. If I can't, then I'll link some sources. And what you're going to do is you're going to see the video. If you think it's interesting, you're going to reach out. Drop a comment or send me an email. And yeah, I'll just put my email over here. So Mohammed Farhan .cs24 at bmsce.ac.in. So you can go ahead and send me a mail over here, and I will respond. And yeah, do mention which exact project name you're looking for and interested in, and we can take the project further. So eligibility. Anyone in 11th grade or above. So I should at least expect like a 10th grade level of math. And that's good enough, because if you don't know something, I'll just teach it to you. It's not gonna take, things in 11th and 12th aren't that complicated, so I'm not gonna waste too much time explaining those. So yeah, if you're in 11th grade, 12th grade, if you're in uni, especially if you're in uni and you need projects to work on, so yeah, this is where I'll be giving my projects. Thank you.